JK Hool here. I'm hoping y'all are having a great day. I'm having a really good day today. I'm going to get right to the point on this video. Today we're going to put drilled and slotted rotors and pads to put on. Let me show you. As you can see right there, so we're going to put on. Alright guys, as you can tell now, we got the caliper off, the pistons pushed in, the caliper brackets off. Now I'm just trying to get the rotor off. Alright guys, there you go. That's the front pastures rotor and new brakes on it, as you can tell. Now we'll do the back and then we'll get the rest of them done. And then we'll take it out and test it, see how it does. Alright guys, there as you can see is the back completed. Alright, I got an idea. Instead of showing you how to do this whole other side, let's do a little YouTube magic. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, we got that done. Gonna do a test, but it's rain. It just stopped. Too wet to do it. But I tell you, I just drove it out, no problem. It did really stop a lot better, but I'm not gonna hit them hard. So I'll do that in the next video or the next. I'll do that for us. But this is a short video. I want to make it short. So remember, please, don't text and drive. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.